How to apply for your personal license in 6 easy steps. Dynamo Training Solutions Simple Guide Series. Step 1. Take the Level 2 Award for Personal License Holders, APLH. This course includes topics on licensing law, responsibilities, and alcohol safety. Must be completed with a recognized training provider. Dynamo Training Solutions Limited are a recognized training provider with both online and classroom-based courses. Step 2. Pass the examination. The examination is a 40-question multiple-choice examination. In order to pass, you need to get a minimum of 70%, 28/40. Dynamo Training Solutions do offer a free resit if you are unsuccessful on your first attempt. Step 3. Apply for a DPS check. Apply for a basic criminal record check, must be less than 1 month old when submitted. Get it from the Disclosure and Barring Service. Step 4. Fill out the application form. Use the forms provided by your local council, check their website. You'll also need to complete a Disclosure of Convictions form. Step 5. Prepare your supporting documents. Your qualification certificate, DPS check certificate, 2 passport-sized photos, 1 signed by a professional, proof of right to work in the UK. Step 6. Submit to your local council and wait for approval. Send all documents and pay the application fee, which is £37. Some councils will allow online applications. Check on their website. If there are no objections, e.g., from police, you'll receive your personal license by post.